Welcome back, MK Car Reviews. Today we're stepping back in time to explore one of the most iconic American cars ever built, the 1958 Chevrolet Impala. This car isn't just a piece of automotive history. It's a symbol of the golden age of American design, engineering, and muscle. If you've ever wondered why the '58 Impala is still celebrated more than 6 decades later, this deep dive performance and price review will show you exactly what makes it so legendary in the USA and beyond. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala debuted during a period when automakers competed fiercely to produce bigger, bolder, and more stylish vehicles. Chevy wanted a car that would stand apart from the rest, and the Impala did exactly that. It featured dramatic curves, chrome accents, a wide stance, and that unmistakable triple taillight setup that became a signature design element. From the moment it hit the roads, it captured attention and admiration, becoming an instant status symbol among American families and car enthusiasts. Let's start with the design because the '58 Impala's appearance alone tells a story. The car featured a longer, lower, and wider body compared to earlier Chevrolets. Its roofline had a sleek flow, the front grille stretched across the face with a bold chrome pattern, and the rear fins were elegant instead of exaggerated like some other models from the same era. The dual headlight design, sweeping side sculptures, and long rear deck made the car feel powerful even when it was parked. The interior was just as striking, offering premium touches like two-tone color combinations, chrome detailing, and a spacious cabin that felt luxurious for its time. The wraparound dashboard and deep dish steering will added a futuristic touch that appealed to buyers who wanted style and comfort. Now let's dive into performance, which played a huge part in making the Impala a standout. Chevrolet offered multiple engine options in 1958, but the most iconic was the 348 cubic inch V8, known as the turbothrust. This engine wasn't just about size, it was about power, smoothness, and reliability. Depending on the configuration, the 348 V8 produced between 250 and 315 horsepower, which was impressive for the late 1950s. The top-spec version featured triple two-barrel carburetors, often called the tri-power setup, giving the car strong acceleration and a deep muscle car growl long before muscle cars became mainstream. The Impala also came with an all-new X-frame chassis, which provided improved rigidity and better ride quality. While it didn't offer the sharp handling of modern cars, for its time, it delivered a smooth, comfortable driving experience that made long-distance cruising effortless. You could pair the engine with a 3-speed manual, a 4-speed manual, or the popular 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. For everyday drivers, the Powerglide made the Impala easy to operate, while enthusiasts favored the manual options for a more engaging ride. What really made the '58 Impala shine was its combination of comfort and performance. It wasn't a pure sports car, but it had enough power to satisfy drivers who wanted speed, and enough refinement to appeal to families. The suspension was tuned for a plush, floating ride, absorbing bumps and rough roads with ease. The car's size and weight gave it a stable presence on highways, making it a perfect cruiser for long American road trips. Even today, owners praise the Impala for its smooth, nostalgic driving feel that captures the essence of 1950s motoring.